Today we have a 2011 ML350. We'll be replacing the air filter. So in order to replace the air filter, first thing I'm gonna do is remove this top cover here, put it to the side. Then we're gonna pull these back here, both of these back, and then lift up this part of the air cleaner box. Keep in mind there's a hose here as well that we need to pull back as well. So there'll be a total of 3 hoses in the back here. 1, 2, or in the front, sorry, 1, 2, and 3 that we have to pull back, as well as a tab back here, as you can see, just push it forward. And once we do all that, we can pick it up and lift it out. So once you remove those 3 hoses and remove that back latch you see back there, and you picked it up, the air filter, air cleaner housing comes straight out like so. We're gonna flip it over. And on the bottom side of it, you will find a total of 8 torque screws, 4 on each side that you will be removing. They're T25s, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same on the other side as well, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those to get these out and then replace the air filter. Now that I've loosened all 8 torque screws, all I have to do is just pick them up. As you can see, the air filters are right there. So we're gonna go ahead and replace those, keeping in mind the orientation of them. So go ahead and replace them and we'll put them back in place. We've now replaced both of our air filters, so all we're gonna do is just set them down. Oops, this one came out, I guess. Okay, I guess you can see me place it in as so. I guess take extra care to make sure that doesn't come out. Set them down in place on both ends and tighten it down. So we have our air filters installed now. These torque screws are in place. I'm just going to reinstall it, flipping it over, and making sure to line it up back there with that latch before we set everything down and get our hoses in. So we're going to line that up, put the latch on, and then install our hoses, then put our top cover back on, and we'll be done. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe, more videos to come. Up next is gonna be the air cabin filter replacement.